Videotaping.
They're doing handcuffs.
Are we both doing it at the same time? Or
Yeah.
This is great because I have the keys.
Oh.
Yeah, you didn't think of that, did you, Lauren?
No, I didn't.
No.
Safety first.
You gotta line it up. The thing.
It's gone?
Yeah.
Once we break our wrists.
Okay, let's start after the piano. Okay.
Oh, you're doing somersaults?
Yeah.
You're idiots.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
That's a success.
It's not nearly as eventful as it sounds.
I know. But Anne has the key still.
Yeah. So you're stuck like this until I feel you're allowed to get unhooked.
Oh, you have the keys?
Yeah. You son of a bitch.
That?
Because your wrist is so small. It's not fair at all.
Yeah, but...
Because Lauren doesn't eat.
Oh, I just tightened it too. Oh. And
Yes.
can I please have the keys to the handcuffs?
I don't know.
I want to handcuff myself to the door.
Okay.
You'd love to see that.
That would be funny.
Especially because she's the only one who can determine when you leave the door. Ow, my knee. Can't be bothered to get up. Hello.
Hi, Lauren.
Hello, baby.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
I was letting people on Gaia.
Random goth chick on my thing. What is this?
It's Gaia.
Okay, this is so boring. I'm going on the porch
Okay.
and stare into the...
Oh, God.
And can I please have the keys? Because this is like really tight.
Hey. I'll do it. It's on the other side. Thank you.
This time I didn't tighten it. Got ahead.
Wait.
Is it like midnight yet?
I don't think so. I think there's still a couple minutes left.